So guys, I just finished taking my shower. Quite numbers of you have been asking me how to get rid of dark spots, how to get rid of pimples, how to get rid of acne and all that. So guys, I've been delaying. The reason is because I didn't just want to come out here to share with you what really helps me to get rid of my dark spots, my acne, my pimples and all that, but I was still doing more research. I wanted to have more information to share with you guys on how to get rid of dark spots and pimples and acne at the same time. The reason why I decided to gather more information before sharing this with you guys is because I know what worked for me might not work for you. We all have different skin types, okay? So I decided to do more research from people who have different skin types. At least if you have like oily skin, you have a sensitive skin, you have a combination skin, or you have a dry skin and you are suffering from this type of skin issues, then you can actually know the one to use. That's why I will advise you watch this video from the start to the end. Do not miss any part, so that at least if you have a sensitive skin like me, you can check out what I used in getting rid of my own acne, dark spots and pimples. You can also check some of the informations I will be sharing with you from those that have sensitive skin too, and those that have oily skin and dry skin as well. So without further ado, let us dive into the video. So guys, I just finished taking off my shower, and this is my lip therapist. Before I share with you the tips and tricks that really helps me to get rid of my dark spots, I want to show you something. I still have one pimples here. Okay, you can see I still have one pimples. So I'm going to be sharing with you the skincare products that I actually use to get rid of my own dark spots, okay, and acne. So the first thing that I do in the morning is, after taking my bath or exfoliating, I just exfoliated today is on Tuesday. I just exfoliated my skin today. So if you don't know what exfoliation is, go and check my shower routine. You're going to see how I exfoliate and what exfoliation is. Okay, now I use my face cleanser to clean my face. This face cleanser name is Dermanis. This Dermanis, they have two types, okay, in case maybe you want to get it. I have a sensitive skin, let me point that out. So if you're watching me, if you have a sensitive skin, then follow up. I have a sensitive skin. So these Dermanis have two types, and they have the one that is very, very hot. I don't know who they made that for, and they have the other type. And if you want to buy this face cleanser, the first thing you need to check out before buying it is this place. You can see they wrote in this place, they wrote body lotion. So if you want to buy the one that they wrote body lotion, this is gentle, this is calm and cool, this is best for the skin, okay? The other one that is very hot, that one they wrote bleach on it. So I believe that particular one is for people that have very strong acne or very strong sensitive skin. I don't know, but that is not my type because it's really, really hot. So if you want to buy, make sure you check out the name. You're going to see body lotion. What I'm going to be doing, I will just use my cotton pad. If you have pad, you can use it, but for me, I use this cotton one. So I'll just cut a little and okay. Don't know if you guys can see it. So I will just use it to clean off my face. So you need to be gentle with this. This is the first thing that I do. You can see the dirt on it. So this is the first step. So once I'm done cleaning off my face, the next thing that I do is I use my serum, okay? I use this serum in the morning and in the evening, but sometimes I don't use it in the evening. I'll just use it in the morning once I'm done cleaning my face. I use this cleanser every morning, but you can decide to use yours at night if you are someone that always walk in the sun. So I advise you should be doing yours in the evening. But for me, not that I don't enter sun, but I try as much as possible to protect myself. You get it? So I just recently got this. Yes, this is what I started using to treat my breakouts, okay? So what I have been using are the things I'm sharing with you. Please, if you want to purchase those, don't go and do otherwise. If you want to follow my step, follow it. Don't add, don't remove. Make sure you follow the procedures, okay, so that you don't come back and tell me yeah, it did not work for you. Maybe you exchange one of the products. If you're using this product, know that this is the product you are using. If you're not using this product, let us know you're not using this product. So this is it. So what I do is I just put this, so 4 drop, okay, then I dab it on my face. So you can see. So once I'm done doing that, the next thing that I do is I go in with my face cream. So if you have face moisturizer, you can go for it, but face cream is what I use, and this is JRA. If you have not watched my videos, I've made a review of this particular product, so if you want to use it, it is very good, and you can check out my face cream reviews. You're going to see that this product is very good. I've reviewed it. So the next thing I want to do is to apply my face cream on my face. So I'll just take a little bit of it. Put under my eyes. So once I'm done with that, the next thing that I go for is this. You know, I believe less is more. I use my sunscreen. So I use the 2-finger method. This is what I do. Then I'll apply it on my face. One thing I love about this sunscreen is that it doesn't leave white cast on the face. So this is the Skin Doctor sunscreen as SPF 18. As you can see how smooth it is. So I just smooth this out. You know, less is more. I don't really use much products. These are the products that I use. Once I'm done, I just apply my face powder, and I'm going to be telling you what these things really does on the face, each of them. I don't apply sunscreen at night. Note, it is sunscreen, not moon screen or night screen. So this is what I do. These are the things that I really do, and they are not much. So guys, now that you already know how I got rid of my acne or how I got rid of my dark spots, now let me share with you the importance of these things and what it does. The first thing that I use is this, right? I showed you guys that this is what I use. So what is the function or the purpose of this dermanis on my skin care routine? Okay, why do I use this particular product to clean off my face or to tone my face before I apply other products? So let's see the function of this dermanis. So according to what they wrote here, there's a dermanis lotion cleanses the face and body in depth. It eliminates black spots. So I believe this is what is responsible for the fading of dark spots on my face. And another thing this does is that it gives a clearer and more uniform complexion. So it unifies your complexion, it fades dark spots, and it cleanses your face and your body in depth. We're also going to be seeing the function of this Dr. Rachel Vitamin C serum. This is Dr. Rachel Vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face serum. Okay, now the benefit of this serum is it will help fade sun spots and discoloration. Now you can see that this vitamin C helps to fade sun spots and discoloration. Another function of this product is that it refines skin texture, reduces wrinkle formation, and minimize existing wrinkles. So this also protects and restore skin cells. So he said it brightens and smooths skin for a more radiant and youthful complexion. So there are a lot of things this Dr. Rachel does. It also brightens, it smoothens, it restores, it unifies. One thing that is common between these two products is that it helps to what? Fade the dark spot, unify your complexion, and helps you to get rid of discoloration. This is JRA. The write-up is no longer here, so I've peeled it off. The thing was messed up, and so I just removed it. If you check my face cream reviews, you're going to see where I talk much on this particular product. It also helps to get rid of pimples and acne. It dries it up, okay? And there are a lot of things this JRA does on the skin, so you can check out my face cream reviews so that you will know. Okay, I've talked much on that particular face product. I'm just trying to show you guys so that you know what it really does. Now this is sunscreen. This sunscreen helps to protect your skin from the sun. This helps to protect your skin from sun damage. Okay, so it has a UV protection, and this is SPF 80. So that is it. The last one on my list here is passion powder. Now This doesn't work because it's a partial powder. It works because it's a white powder. White powders on their own protect and helps to eliminate dark spots, helps you to dry up anything called pimples, acne on the face. There are a lot of things that white powder does on the skin, so you need to find out more about white powders. One thing I love about this white powder, this particular product, is that it has a UV protection. So imagine a white powder have a UV protection. That is one thing that I've come to love about this particular product. It protects the natural balance of your skin. So this is the last thing I use on my face. So once I'm done, you can see less is more. So the other product, I just use 5 products: my toner, vitamin C serum, face cream, and sunscreen. Then the last thing I apply is my powder. So less is more. That is what I believed in. So these are the things that I used that have been helping me. Okay, and they have been helping me, and they've really helped me to get rid of my dark spot. You can see my face now. My face is now brighter, better, shiner, and more unified. Okay, now the second source is from my kid sister. Hey guys, I'm going to be ending this video here. I don't want it to be too long, and please check the description section for part 2. If you have a sensitive skin, you have an oily skin, you have a dry skin, or a combination skin, don't worry, I have a video for you on how to get rid of dark spots. Do want to check the description section. Thank you. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching. I hope this really helps you a lot. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed, turn on post notifications so that whenever I drop a video you'll be notified. If you like this post, leave your comment at the comment section. Thank you.